Hello everyone, it's your girl Allie. I'm back again. I'm getting ready to do a video. I'm getting ready to do my hair in a short style, which I promised you guys that I was going to show you guys a short hairstyle. You know, something that is really quick, easy, and simple to do. So right now I have my hair in braid pattern. Sorry, you guys, I'm just like tongue twisted. So right here, just basically, I just braided his part this way, and I went around, as you can see, and made this part just to the front. And as you can see the back, I just basically took the tail of it and tuck it in. Okay, so today I will be using this black and burgundy hair is actually a Weezy curl, Weezy curls. Okay, and the color is burgundy and black, as you can see. All right, and I'm using a black as well. Okay, so the black, I am intending to put that in the back, and the burgundy and black, I want to put that on the top. Okay, so now I'm about to get started. I'm gonna start crocheting it in. Okay, so here's how the curl look. Gonna start from the back. And where you want to space it out too as you put it in too. fullness here. Okay. I might put just a little bit, like right here on the side. I have Gorilla Glue. I'm just gonna put a little on my finger. And I go in here and I just fix this part up. Because remember, I wanted this part to be laying more to the side. So that's what we're focusing on. So the Gorilla Glue, I'm just gonna apply it right here. This is how I wanted to style it. You can do one here, do another one here. There, and it don't have to be when I leave and come back, but when I come back, I'm gonna have my makeup on and my earrings, and you'll see how it looks. Okay, you guys, I'm back. Got my makeup on and everything. All right, so now I'm actually going to apply some serum. It has shine to the hair. I will actually post a picture up very soon, along with my hair, just to show you what I did use on my hair. So I'm just, now don't worry about the frizz because you're gonna fix that. I'm just adding a little shine to it, into the front, just a little shine. Just like that. If you want to bring it over more, you can. It's up to you. Okay? And that's about it. Now, if you like what I do, and you like the style, and you like how all of the styles and hairdos that I'm doing, and you see that there are other tips and things that you would like to let me know that will be much better, easier, a shortcut, you know, send me a comment, you know, and I could try that and see if it's much easier. But this is the way that I normally do my hair. Something quick, easy, simple. Also, hit that subscribe button so you can be alert every time that I post a video. That way you can stay on top of it. You'll be able to see everything that I'm actually posting and what I'm talking about and what I'm actually doing for that day, or what I'm actually planning on doing that is new. Until then, just tune in. I'll see y'all next time.